Here's how to remove TikTok you may like suggestions. There are a few ways to reset or remove those suggestions. I'll show you how. Now open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android, and you'll be able to see all of the you may like suggestions. Of course, you can hit refresh, but it still might not show items that you like. You can always remove those, first just by getting into your settings. So within the TikTok app, we need to get to your settings, and from here we'll do a couple different things. The first thing that we will do is try to refresh your feed here. So you can just go through the process of refreshing the feed, and it will refresh those you may like suggestions. But keep in mind, it also pulls in information associated with your recent searches. So you want to go in here to your search history and go through the process of removing all of your searches. So you can go through and choose all of these searches, and then go through and hit select all if you wanted to, and delete all of them. Now, keep in mind, this doesn't do everything in terms of removing or refreshing those you may like suggestions, because we also need to get into your settings and do one more thing. Let's go to your notifications and make sure we turn off notifications that are associated with posts that you might not like. After you've done all of those different things, we're going to go back, we're going to close out of the app, open up the app again, and then in here, the you may like suggestions will be refreshed back to factory default.